to me. When are you gonna release a statement? He would tell me he was waiting for the right moment. I didn't want to be pushy. I didn't want to aggravate things. So I waited and kept quiet because it wasn't my story to tell anyway. I kept quiet. October passed. We were working still every day. And then Halloween. It was the very first night we went out na medyo sweet kami sa isa't isa. The next day, Cham posted on her Instagram story, there were no
Maris Racal humingi ng sorry sa pagpatol kay Anthony Jennings. Ang sabi ni Maris, nagkamali ako, I'm sorry. Sa wakas, nagsalita na ang kontrobersyal kapamilya actress na si Maris Racal sa kinasasangkutan nilang kontrobersiya ng collab team na si Anthony Jennings. Ilang araw nang pinagpiestahan ang isyo ng panluloko nila umano ni Anthony sa ex-girlfriend ng aktor na si Jam Villanueva. At least humingi ka ng sorry, pero nasaktan nyo na ang taong nagmahal ng totoo kay Anthony Jennings. Inilantad ni Jam Villanueva ang screenshot ng palitan ng mga mensahe ni Maris at Anthony bilang patunay ng ginawang panluloko sa kanya ng mga ito. Kabilang narito ang umano'y paglalandian ng dalawa sa likod ng mga kamera. Kaliwat kanang batikos ang inabot ng dalawang kapamilya star at halos lahat ay nagsasabing pareho silang manluloko at cheater. Totoo naman yun eh. Ngayong araw, binasag ni Maris ang kanyang katahimikan sa isyu sa pamamagitan ng isang video interview mula sa ABS-CBN, at dito nga inamin ng aktres nagkamali siya at ibinahagi niya ang revelasyon. Today, I will be speaking from my heart. Lahat ng sasabihin ko ngayon ay galing sa puso ko. Nagkamali ako and I only say sorry for everything that I have done. It started last June 2024. I was in a very dark place. I'm lonely. I was getting attention from Anthony. The kind of attention that I needed. When I sensed that there was a brewing attention between Anthony and I, nadala ako sa emotion ko and I knew that was wrong. I came clean right away. I told my ex everything. I admitted things to him and then we broke up. It was not easy. It was very hard for me to announce the breakup. I was so emotional during that interview because I was holding back the truth. Yun yung totoo. Sana all. I wasn't able to really simmer down. I wasn't able to reflect on what had happened. I was working every day. Ang dami naming trabaho. Bago nagsimula yung mga trabaho namin, I told Anthony that I broke up with my ex and he also said the same thing. Mind you, I was in a very lonely place. I was so lonely. I was so vulnerable at that time. Like everybody, nakaka-break lang. I was working every day at sa lahat ng trabaho na yun kasama ko si Anthony. Aminin ko na araw-araw na pagtatrabaho namin, nahulog din yung loob ko. He would be very sweet to me. He would be such a gentleman to me. I would say things to me. He would say things to me. He would tease me on the set in front of other people. He would tell other people that are close to me that he was single, so I would act a certain way around him on the set because in the eyes of the people there, we were both single. Ang paliwanag ni Maris. Ayon pa kay Maris, grabe ang natanggap niyang pambabatikos at pambabastos mula sa mga basher at haters dahil sa naging revelasyon ni Jam Villanueva. Sabi pa niya sa isang part ng interview, I don't know where to go. Whenever I go out, whenever I walk, I feel like a woman naked. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. I'm so embarrassed. Yan kasi yung consequences ng mga bagay na ginawa nyo may niloko ka, may pinaiyak kang tao, at may nasaktan kang damdamin. Sinaktan mo yung ex mo na si Rico dahil nakakita ka ng iba, tapos may nasaktan ka ding babae kasi yung ex ni Anthony. So yan yung consequences mo sa ginawa niyong pananakit ng tao. So ganun talaga yung buhay, Marisa, na pinili mo na lang na gawin yung tama kasi may edad ka naman. Dapat naging kontento ka na lang. Dapat hindi mo na lang ginawa or hindi ka nahimasok sa relasyon na kung alam mo namang may karelasyon pa yung guy. Dapat hindi mo piniflirt yung guy kasi makikita natin sa sa screenshot na ikaw yung nangunguna sa guy. So pwede ka namang umuiwas kasi kagagaling mo pa lang sa breakup. Bakit ka papasok? It means yung 5 years niyo na pinagsamahan ni Rico Blanco, wala lang yun. Ang dali mong makalimot dahil papasok ka na naman sa isang relasyon na alam mo naman na may girlfriend itong si Anthony Jennings. So mali mo, dapat tanggapin mo yung consequences ng mali mo. So yun lang guys, anong masasabi niyo dito? Comment down kayo dyan sa baba kung ano ang inyong naging pahayag. Kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel, please hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. Caridad Official TV. Hanggang sa muli and thank you so much.